In a silent conversation that I had all by myself, little quiet contemplation on my thoughts for someone else. In a dream under a storm cloud that repeats on endlessly, I can see you getting bored now of just being friends with me. In those dreams I met with people who died long, long ago, but I never seemed to see you. You had left without a no. Oh, we got in then gone. Then now I'm wandering through a desert filled with sand so black and cold. Never tired, I lost my way there, though the journey made me old. Until I found a great oasis with a fountain spilling tears. Filled my cup but it was empty. I kept trying on for years and years. Forgotten then gone. So it goes on and on. Speak softly now, show me how you have made it to this landscape, and I'll do all I can to pretend that I'll never wake again. Find it mostly pointless to decipher all these dreams. Why picture you so clearly, floating in on sunlight beams? It would seem I need a reason to continue all I do, and that logic always finds me running back to dreams of you.
Thanks a lot, everybody. That song is called Indecipherable Dreams, and it's from our now newly released album Projection, out everywhere you can get music. Go give it a listen if you haven't already. This is my third video in the Tsuyu series, the rainy season series. It's going to be raining all week, so I think I'll have enough time to record at least one more rainy video. Just got to find a place where I can stay dry, but you can still see the rain falling. So, stay tuned to see what the next one is. Thanks for tuning in again. Thanks for tuning in again. And, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed. Click the bell, all that bullshit, and we'll see you next time. Bye.